Okay, for this problem, we're given some information about cost and production volume for some manufacturing. So I'm going to write out what we want to find here first, and we're going to work our way and use Excel to figure these things out. So for part A, just to plan ahead, we want to find what a regression equation. So we want to find a regression equation. We're going to use our Excel to do that. You could also use a graphing calculator. So with the regression equation, I usually use y equals a plus bx. And then in part B, we want to find out what is the cost per unit produced. And really that's the average cost per unit. Part C.